You know that my job is not just to give you translations of what the words mean. My job is to make sure that the fire in your heart to obtain the license is always burning, because the moment you lose that, or if you sit down, if you get comfortable, if you lose momentum, it becomes very, very hard. Just like when you're trying to push a big round boulder, the first attempt is very hard, but the moment it starts rolling, it's easier. But if you stop again, same effort all over again. So don't sit down. You are on the run. I didn't say it's going to be comfortable. The license will fall on your lap. So remember one thing. Don't try to overdo something, and don't ignore it also. There is a middle line. Progress is better than perfection. Let this sink in your head. Progress is better than perfection, because if you focus on the small achievements that are achievable, small things, don't have a big goal. Say at least every morning I'll give 15 minutes to the license. Okay, that is doable, and you do small thing only. That is you, and when it's small thing, the task, you can achieve it, and you get the dopamine. I did it. And you will do it again. Just but remember, small things make big difference. I keep giving you the example. If a pilot flying from Sydney would slightly shift his orientation for 2 degrees, he'll land in a totally different country of the world. So remember, that was a small difference, but as it went along, it became bigger and bigger. So that's why if you the key word is consistency. If you give small goals, it will make it happen. And each time you see success, you have a dopamine which allows you to proceed in the same way, and you'll do it more. That's why little by little, the whole thing becomes a big thing. Over time, it makes big changes. So remember one thing, keep small achievable goals. Don't do drastic, don't binge, because if you overtax your brain, it'll rebel. Your brain will rebel against you. Remember, I told you all the time, your brain is not programmed for success. Its only job is to keep you alive. That's all. So that's why all the other things we must achieve on your own. So remember, small thing. Now, one more thing, if to break, there are exercises for keeping your bodily fit. Okay, these are important. You know what to do, but you know what are the brain. You can't do mental exercise with the brain. I tell you, there's also physical exercise for the brain. But challenge your brain. Challenge your brain every day. Take it out of the comfort zone. And you know how to challenge your brain? Like learn a new language. This, what is happening right now, is increasing your neurocells. It is taxing your brain. It's making you go crazy. That is exactly what is necessary to do this. Because, you know, it's like, imagine, it's like in a big green lawn. Nobody has walked on it before. You're the first time it goes. You're scared. You don't know there's a hole. There might be a snake. Once you go there once, a small path has been made by your own feet. Go there twice, your neural connection is connected, and you've expanded. So you are increasing your knowledge. Remember, always tax. If you like to do crosswords, if you like to do something that taxes your brain, it's always very good. And if you can't think of something new, then remember, use your non-dominant hand for all the daily tasks. Your brain will get crazy, but that's exactly where you'll shock your brain out of comfort zone. If you're brushing your teeth like that, next time use your left brain. It'll be strange on the first time, but try to do things by a non-dominant hand. You're activating other parts of your brain, which you need, because you need all of it to succeed. But I'm not, my job is to make you pass the theory, but you should also know how to use the tools. I'm the one who will tell you, we are our brain, our mind, no brain, we said this now. Our brain is not over here only, but our mind and our body are two tools we have. If you know how to pilot it, you are a perfect person. You'll be successful in everything, not only license. So these are the two things. Remember, have small achievable goals. And secondly, do daily mental exercises. Do daily mental exercises. Now, you know that I told you this is where to tax your brain. But even eye movement, if you move your eye left, right, up, like for 5 minutes, up and down, diagonally after that, diagonally right and left. Your eyes are the only movable part of your brain that is connected to your brain. Only thing that can move is only eyes. So by doing this up and down, you're actually strengthening the muscles of your brain. This is for your brain health, and that will help you in everything you do, not only in license. Okay. So this is my tip of the day. Try it and see if it works for you. It works for everybody. Okay, have faith in it. I hope you enjoyed the class. I'll see you tomorrow again. Buona serata. Arrivederci. Take care.